What's going on, guys? It's Chaos Hunter here. Today I'm back with a brand new unboxing video with another EKSA gaming headset E900 Pro, and guys, let's get into the unboxing. So guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and my gaming channel. I will be releasing gaming videos on there very soon. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing now. So guys, this gaming headset you can use for your PS4, Xbox One S and X, and Nintendo and PC. And there are two versions of this. There's just the E900, and then there's the E900 Pro, so this one's a better one. And yeah, let's unbox it. And also it's got a 24-month warranty. Oh, and guys, on the back it shows what it has. So it's got the actual gaming headset, it's got a pluggable microphone, it's got the audio cable, it's got a cable splitter, the USB cable, the instructions, and a carry pouch. So guys, if you've watched my previous videos, you probably have seen the pouch, and as usual, I love these pouches. So here's what the pouch looks like. So quite nice leather, not real leather though. Let's put the box to the side, just take the manual out. So here's all the audio cables and stuff like that, and here's the manual. So guys, I'm just gonna put it together and show you what it looks like. So guys, this is the mic, this is the audio cable, this is for your PC and Mac. So the good thing is it's Type-C, because quite a lot of stuff nowadays is Type-C. And then here's a split. Now the bit you've been waiting for is the headset. Let's just open this up. Just put this to the side. So it's got a quite clean design to it. The earmuffs are quite spongy and look quite comfortable. It's leather earmuffs. And over here is where you can put the volume up and down, where you can turn, like, mute the mic, and here's where you would put in, like, to connect to your stuff, so your mic, to put into your Xbox or PC. And I'll just quickly show you what it will look like when you put the stuff together. So guys, another good thing is, say if there's something wrong with it, they have a very good customer service. So anything wrong with it, just use their customer service. So this would be for your PC or Mac, for instance, or your laptop. And then let's just take this out for now. Put that to the side. And then if you're going to use your... So guys, over here it also has this locking mechanism, so it doesn't like come out or something while you're playing. So you just put it in. So now it will come out like that, but it takes a bit of tugging to pull out. And yeah, that's for your Xbox and PS4. And then, so guys, this is the audio splitter cable. So over here is the audio splitter, and here's the cable where you would plug into your Xbox or PS4. So I'll just plug this in here. And then here's the audio splitter, so plug this into your PC. And guys, now let's go move on to the pros and cons now. And yeah, let's go move on to that now. So guys, now moving on to the pros and cons. It has a good budget price for £30. That's on sale at the time of this recording, and it's usually under £40. It has 7.1 surround sound, and you can use it on all consoles and Windows and Mac OS. It has noise cancelling mic, and it has quite comfortable earmuffs. Has LED lights on the headphones. I'll just put a clip in now. So, and it has a detachable mic and has volume and mic control. Overall, I find this probably well, it is the best budget headset. The only probably con I would have, it's not a very big issue to me, is these are leather earmuffs, so they over time, like probably 3 years down the line maybe, they will start to wear and tear. But apart from that, everything is fine to me, and this gaming headset is the best budget gaming headset to me. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and go subscribe to my second channel, my gaming channel. The link will be in the description for it, and I'll see you lot in the next unboxing video.